Hello, my name is David, but you can call me Skiff, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are off to my friend JD's house. He's moving. God damn it, I'm so fucking sweaty and hot. It's hot here in LA. And he's moving and he asked me to help him clean out his closet. And I figured this would be a very good opportunity to share some tips and tricks on how to best clean out your closet. So the first thing I like to do, the only reason I am going to film it, but I'm going to film it in a time lapse because I have a funny feeling it's going to take a really long time, because it usually does. But the best way to do it, and the way that I've always done it, is to first, how do I put this? First thing you want to do is decide what is a non-negotiable, meaning what is something that you're not willing to get rid of, something that you're going to keep no matter what, whether it be a sentimental value, whether it be something that you love, whether it's something that you wear all the time, whether it's something you don't wear all the time but you still want to hold on to it. Take all of those things out of your closet first. And then from there, you want to decide, okay, what are some things that I like but I may not wear all the time, but I still really like them? Those are the next things you want to take out of your closet, things that you're on the fence about. So those will be put into a maybe pile. Next are things that you want to take out of your closet that are things that you know that you don't like. They don't fit anymore, that you just don't wear them anymore. I don't know, they're out of season, they're out of style. And so you've decided, I'm not gonna keep this anymore. Take all of those things out. And this goes for clothes, accessories, shoes, anything that may be in your closet. And then from there, from the things that you don't want to keep anymore, you want to decide, okay, is this a donate? Is this a trash, or is this a sell? Because sometimes it is a possibility to sell some of your old clothes. Not everything is going to be able to be sold, but it is a possibility. And then what else? What is another pile that you're going to want to make? Oh, repair. So there's going to be things in your closet that you're going to see that you like and you're going to keep, but they need to be repaired. So you want to make sure to separate those things as well, so that when it comes time to reorganize your closet, everything is in tip-top shape. So that's just another thing to keep in mind when you're pulling out the things that you're going to keep regardless, is things that might need to be repaired, things that might need to go to the dry cleaner, things that need to have a button put back on. Because the whole point about cleaning out your closet is to make sure that you can wear everything, and you want to be able to use everything in your entire closet. And we all have this problem, especially in this day and age with consumerism, that we end up with so many clothes that we don't even end up wearing 3/4 of our closet. We only end up wearing 1/4 of our closet. So why keep it all? Why not just declutter and de-stress and not have to worry about all these other clothes that you don't wear? Now, there are things that you're going to want to keep for sentimental value, but you don't wear them anymore. I'm going to urge you to put those in storage. Don't keep them out in your closet. They're just taking up space. So put them away. Don't be afraid to not be able to see them anymore. It's not like you're going to forget them at all. It's just that they don't need to be taking up space in your closet. And that should be everything, I think. So we have our non-negotiables, things that we're going to keep regardless, and we're going to split that into things that need to be put into storage, things that need to be repaired, and things that just can be put back. Then we have our donate/sell pile, and we have our maybe pile. Okay, so the maybe pile. So when you're done organizing everything and you have a big maybe pile, what you want to do is you want to try all of that stuff on. It's going to be a pain in the ass, but do it anyway. Because like I said before, we usually end up not wearing 3/4 of our closet. So go through the maybe pile and see if everything still fits the way you like it to fit. See if everything, once you put it on, you feel good about it still. Because if you don't, then you can get rid of it and you no longer need to keep it. And that's the easiest way to decide whether or not something should or needs to be kept, is to try it on. Your maybe pile at the end will most likely be your biggest pile, and it should be your biggest pile because you shouldn't want to keep everything in your closet. If you want to keep everything in your closet, then you might have another issue at hand here, and you might want to get somebody to help you out, just like I'm going to help out my friend. You want somebody who's honest, you want someone who's going to let you know whether or not something looks good on you, and you want to make sure that you're not just keeping things for the sake of keeping things and having stuff, because at the end of the day, none of that is important. You want to keep stuff that makes you happy, that makes you feel good, that makes you feel attractive. And I mean, you can even go down to undergarments even with this, like, because I mean, that's the foundation of everything that we wear, is our underwear. And if you don't feel good in your underwear, then like, you should be getting rid of that and you should be getting new underwear that does make you feel confident, that does make you feel good. I think that's all that you need to know. So let's get to JD's house and start this closet clean. See you there. Okay, so before we get started on the closet, are there any things in the closet that are non-negotiables? Like, you're keeping it regardless. Like, no matter what, you're keeping it.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, let's pull those out first.
Okay, everything that I cannot even consider
Correct.
losing.
We can start, you want to start here?
Sure.
Okay, let's start at the front.
There's shoes on the floor. Don't push it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's pull all the things out that
Can't be lost.
can't be lost.
Okay. Let's start up here, because
Okay.
that'll give us more space, I think.
Great.
So this can't be lost.
Okay. Let's move this.
Okay,
this
so
is
we're only
no.
going with definitelys. The maybes will.
We'll get to that eventually. But if we
This
have
def-
maybes,
This is a maybe.
then let's put it to there. Let's put it there.
What about candies?
Can be gotten rid of.
Great. These are a keep.
Is this Margiela?
Yeah.
So this is a get rid of, but this is also a sell.
Right.
So sell will get put there.
Keep. I never wear these because they're not broken in and they're raw denim. But like probably keep.
Let's get them in the maybe.
Yeah. These are probably. I mean these. So here's where we're gonna hit up. Well, no, these are keep. Well, these are a maybe. A lot of the maybes will be kept, right?
Maybe.
Okay. These are a maybe. These are, I guess, a maybe. I'm gonna make these a keep. They're like a good, they're Prada denim that I've had forever. They're also have been repaired a bunch, so they're like, you know. I don't even know what. Oh, these are.
Those look like two pairs of the same pants.
They're not. But also though, like work pant wise, like they fit differently.
Okay.
They're both. I'm gonna put both in maybes, but I'm gonna have to keep some work pants. So we'll see. The reason that's what the maybes are for. We'll see.
Okay.
Is there a key? lot of these. There are certain things where it's like I wear these shorts a bunch, so I guess they're a keep.
Mm-hmm. Well, now here's the question, though. Do you want to keep these and these?
That's.
I know they're different.
Let me put. I haven't put those on in a really long time.
Okay, so we'll do that last.
We'll do try-ons last, so that's where they're a maybe. Okay.
So we'll put those in the maybe.
We can put those in the maybe too,
We'll
then,
put these
for that
in the
reason.
maybe.
Okay, these are a keep but repair.
Keep but repair. Okay.
Yeah, so this.
Okay.
But they're like they're a perfect work gown. These I'll put in the maybe.
Okay. So repairs.
Put them in that Coach box.
I'm gonna put them in the bag.
That's a recycling bag. Do you want a bag?
Yeah, let's do
There's-
repairs in a bag so that it's easy to just pick up and take.
Where did I put those? I have 2 opening ceremony bags that I just had. Here. This is the big one because there are probably a few things that need to be repaired.
Mm-hmm. Whew. So we are finally back home. That took 6 hours to go through his closet. It is a long process, but I don't want you to get discouraged. It is a good thing to do. It is possible to get done in a shorter amount of time than that, but JD just has a lot of clothes. And that's fine. I do too, and usually when I clean out my closet, it takes me a really long time as well. And really, at the end of the day, you only have to do it like once a year. At least that's what I would suggest. Some people say every 6 months, but you know what? Depending on where you live, once a year is enough. So I hope you learned something today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite part of the video was. If you want to keep up with me here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. If you want to keep up with me on a more regular basis, make sure to follow me across all social media platforms that you can call me Skiff, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.